Alright guys, everybody's been asking for the how to hook the batteries up. Of course this isn't the four-wheeler that you saw. This is my daughter's Barbie Jeep, but perfect example. I'll break this down just in reverse for you. You can see the original connection would have come from here to the other battery, and I'm just going to start pulling these things apart for you, but literally it was straight spades. You can use anything that's straight and flat. So I have one connector of that style, and I happen to use another one that had to cut the plastic off. Just anything straight that fits in the slots. Of course you're going to be trying to figure out which is positive, which is negative. You can watch 800 other videos on how to test them out, but if you put it in wrong, you know, when you hit the gas going forward, you'll go in reverse. Now to hook to the actual battery, I'll pull this one off here. It's nothing more than these little clips, and then you take, you know, of course they don't just fit perfectly over. You just take a flat screwdriver or anything you need to and slowly pry it open just a little bit. Then she just slips right over top of that, wiggles on, and stays there. So this is the same thing. Of course I drop it just to waste more of your time. But exact same thing. You know, I definitely recommend put some electrical tape or something around it. You don't want the two things right next to each other with bare metal to bare metal, because if they wiggle, of course, then you're going to get a little spark or arcing and all that stuff. But anyway, oh, and for those of you that were looking for the actual four-wheeler, if you don't have a straight slot, you know, with the slats fit right in, and you have the old kind of rounded ones, these are simple too. This is what I used on the Yamaha four-wheeler. You can split them open, make them a little wider, or I believe I actually had to crush mine down just the tiniest bit. But you know, when you go to the battery, exact same style. So this would then, on the four-wheeler, hook into the main wiring harness, and you'd run a little piece of wire backwards. So the blue barrel is replacing the red straight slot there. Anyway, wish you guys all the luck in the world. Thanks for even watching my crazy video.